In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Dark Reader extension on your Chrome browser. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, Dark Reader extension helps you take care of your eyes by using dark theme for night and daily browsing. To get this extension, go ahead and open your Chrome browser and log in with your Google account. So I'm here on my Google account, and then go ahead and click on these ellipses. From here, look for extensions option, and if you hover over it, now we have two more options: manage extensions and visit Chrome Web Store. So choose visit Chrome Web Store, and this is where we can find any extension that you wish. Go ahead and go through the list. If you can't see your extension that you're looking for, then use the search bar on top here to search for your extension. I'll go ahead and search the extension by name, Dark Reader, like that. And then here is the extension. Go ahead and tap on it. To know that it is the right extension, make sure it is from Dark Reader Limited. And at the time of recording this extension has over 6 million active users. And currently, it has a star rating of 4.7 from over 12,000 ratings. If you see these details, then you'll know that you have the right extension. You can go ahead and read more details about the extension and get further information about it down below. To get it now, go ahead and tap on Add to Chrome, and this will go ahead and prompt you to confirm by clicking on Add Extension, and this will be downloaded and then automatically added to your Chrome browser. Now, if you go ahead and open a new tab and click on extension shortcut here and then manage extensions, now you should see Dark Reader extension has been installed. Go ahead and make sure that it is turned on for it to start working. In case you can't access this extension list, that is, if you don't have the shortcut here, then just click on the ellipses here and then choose extensions, and under it manage extensions, and it will take you to a list of all the extensions you have installed on your browser. So that's how you can install Dark Reader extension on your Google Chrome browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.